So initially we went to the How to Believe to Buy a House workshop because we knew we wanted to buy a house at some point. And in our mind, it was a couple years down the road. And so we just wanted to get all the information possible because we're in a unique situation and we work for ourselves and there's all kinds of just stuff around that of it's hard and you need all this extra stuff, and so we wanted to educate ourselves on what was actually needed. So initially, that's what. And then our timeline just got sped up. So.
I feel like the workshop really helped us understand what we needed to do to get to the point we needed to be able to buy the house, like help our credit with little things, pay off some small things, and it really made a big deal. Find that funding the workshop really helped us be able to buy a house sooner than we thought. But working with Martine and Heather was super easy. I was shocked at me bothering Martine late into the night, or Heather, her response being very fast. I was very shocked by that. I thought, I've heard, yeah, I'll help anytime, 24 hours. But they were on it all the time and very patient with my picky ass. I was a bit annoying, I'm sure, sometimes, but I'm okay with that. I got exactly what we wanted, I think. The experience was great, and I really liked the fact that during the closing time, they provided an interpreter for me, so Ben didn't have to. That was awesome, providing that accessibility. So hooray for that.